Hi everyone, welcome back to Conversion Chef YouTube channel. We are now on the second part of the CJ Dropshipping series. So if you haven't watched the first part yet, I have the link on the description below, so check it out. So in this video, we will be talking about how to integrate CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. By integrating, what I mean is how to import products from CJ to Shopify. So without further ado, let's get started. So to integrate CJ to Shopify, we need to install an application, and that would be Importify. Let's install it first. To install Importify, just visit the Shopify App Store and search for Importify. So Importify is not a free application. It's from $14.95 per month and has a 1-day free trial. Even if it is not a free application, it's worth the try. So let's see. Now just add the application. Afterwards, you will be directed to the dashboard of Importify. So here is the dashboard. So to complete the installation, just follow these 3 steps, like installing the Importify Chrome extension for an easier access. Step 2 is to select a wholesaler from the list and start adding products to your store, which we will be able to look into later. So step 3, just watch the video below to learn how to add your first product. So you may always refer on this video, but we will be able to see that on this video right now. So with this application, we will be able to easily import product from CJ to Shopify. So the first step you need to do is open the product you would like to import in CJ Dropshipping. So let's go to CJ Dropshipping. So for example, your niche is on sports and outdoors. So once you have found the right product for your niche, for example this one, just click on this or open the product. So when the product page is loaded, you will be able to see this add icon here. So this is the add button of Importify. Now just click this button if you want to add this product. So click add. So afterwards, the Importify tab would open up where you can do several customizations. So you can edit the title and description of the product on the general. You can also edit the pricing details of the product. Also, you have the option to add a product-specific collection on Spotify. Now, you have here the description, the variants, and the images. So once you're done with this one, once you have customized it according to your preferences and according to your brand, just click the Add to Your Store button. So after adding the product to your store, you will be able to see this widget. So the product is being added to your store. Please allow 30 to 60 seconds to complete the process. Now, after that, you will be able to click on Import List. So on Importify, you can see the different products that you have added from CJ Dropshipping on the import list. So here is the product that we have already added. So after you have imported the product to Importify, just click on the View button and the file will be imported automatically to your Shopify store. So this is the View icon. As you can see, it is already on our Shopify store, which is very easy to import and very easy to add to your Shopify store. So no hassle. You just need to customize it on the Importify tab and you're good to go. So that's just how easy it is to integrate Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. You just have to use a third-party application, which is Importify. And this application is very easy to use, very user-friendly. So now we have seen the performance of this application. So I think, in my opinion, the cost per month of this application is worth it because you will be able to import easily many products from CJ to your Shopify store without any hassle. So if you would like to install this application, I have the link below. Just See and check the description box and click on that link. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!